You're watching FaheemShaheen English Practice. Welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you English phrases for customer service. Customer service phrases are short, polite, and professional sentences used to communicate effectively with customers. They help build trust, solve problems smoothly, and create a positive experience. Greeting: Hello, how can I help you today? Welcome, what can I do for you? Good morning, how may I assist you? Thanks for calling us. How can I help? Hey there, what brings you in today? Listening and understanding. I understand your concern. I see what you mean. I hear you. I get what you are saying. I understand the situation. I see where you are coming from. Offering help. I can help with that. Let's fix this together. I shall take care of it for you. Here's what we can do. I can check that right now. Let me handle that for you. Apologizing and empathy. I am sorry about that. Sorry for the trouble. I understand how you feel. Thanks for your patience. I apologize for the delay. Clarifying. So you need? Is that correct? Just to confirm, you mean? Let me sure I understand. Do I have that right? Ending the conversation. Thanks for choosing us. We appreciate your business. Have a great day. Glad I could help. Feel free to reach out anytime. We look forward to serving you again. In conclusion, use the right customer service phrases is more than just good communication. It's about creating memorable experiences for customers. Every word you choose can strengthen trust, show professionalism, and leave a lasting positive impression. Thank you for watching. Your time means a lot to us. We hope you learned something new and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more helpful content, stay courteous, stay confident, and we shall see in the next one. Never stop learning.